There is a new feature in announcements that gives the user the option to send a notification for an edited announcement. I'm going to click on this announcement I already created, and I'm going to edit the announcement by clicking on the three dots to the right of the announcement and dragging my cursor down to click on the edit pencil icon. Perhaps I got this wrong and the quiz is Thursday, not Friday. I'm going to edit the content here and then scroll down. And once I click save, an information box appears which states notify users and asks, would you like to send a notification to users that the announcement has been edited? In this case, I am going to click on send. I would like that additional notification to deploy. If you have any questions at all, please submit a ticket to canvashelp@stanford.edu.